Have you ever heard a rustle in the dark or glimpsed a striped tail darting by? Chances are you've just missed a raccoon, nature's masked bandit. With their black masks and nimble hands, raccoons are famous for their cleverness and curiosity. These animals thrive while we sleep, turning our backyards into their playgrounds. Raccoons are everywhere, from deep forests to city streets, adapting to new environments with ease. Their name comes from the Powhatan word Raccoon, meaning one who scratches with its hands, a perfect fit for these tactile explorers. Their front paws are incredibly sensitive, guiding them through the night as they feel, grab, and investigate their world. Every raccoon sighting is a glimpse into a hidden, nocturnal world. They're not just scavengers, they're intelligent, resourceful survivors. Raccoons remind us that the wild is never far away. Sometimes it's right outside our door. So, what makes raccoons so smart? How do they thrive in so many places? Their story is one of survival, adaptation, and family. By understanding raccoons, we appreciate the wild beauty they bring to our planet. Let's pull back the curtain on these masked marvels and discover their secrets. Their presence is a gift, a reminder of the untamed wilderness that shares our space. The raccoon's tale is woven into the intricate web of life we're all a part of. Let's begin our journey into the world of the raccoon. The raccoon's most iconic feature is its black mask, a natural adaptation that sharpens night vision and gives them their bandit look. Their thick, grizzled fur keeps them warm and camouflaged, blending into forests and city shadows. The bushy, ringed tail acts as a counterweight for climbing and a cozy blanket in winter. But their true superpower? Their front paws, nimble, sensitive, and almost like tiny human hands. They can open jars, turn knobs, and solve problems with ease. Every feature, mask, fur, tail, and hands, helps raccoons thrive in any environment. It all starts with that unforgettable mask. Raccoons are true masters of adaptation, making homes in forests, farmlands, marshes, and even bustling cities. Originally creatures of the woods, they've learned to thrive wherever there's water and food. Forests offered hollow trees and riverbanks, but raccoons now use rock crevices, abandoned burrows, or even dense cattails for shelter. In cities, they find attics, chimneys, and crawl spaces, turning urban landscapes into new frontiers. Ponds, fountains, and pet bowls replace streams, while garbage cans become treasure troves. Their flexibility lets them move into new areas and outsmart challenges that stump other animals. Native to North America, raccoons now live from Canada to Costa Rica, and have even established populations in Europe and Japan. Their range is vast and their resilience is unmatched. Whether braving Canadian winters or tropical heat, raccoons find a way to survive. Their story is one of constant adaptation, proving that wildlife can flourish in a changing world. Raccoons remind us that nature is never far away, even in the heart of the city. Their ability to thrive in so many places is a testament to their intelligence and resourcefulness. The masked bandit's world is as varied as the landscapes they call home. Wherever you are, chances are a raccoon isn't far behind, exploring, adapting, and surviving. Their world is our world too. Raccoons are true omnivores, eating whatever the season or environment offers. In spring and summer, they hunt crayfish, frogs, fish, insects, and bird eggs, while also feasting on fruits, berries, and nuts. When autumn arrives, they focus on high-energy foods like acorns and late-season fruits, building fat reserves for winter. This seasonal menu keeps them healthy and ready for changing conditions. One quirky behavior: raccoons often dip their food in water. It's not about cleaning. It's about enhancing their sense of touch, letting them inspect food for safety. In cities, their diet expands to include leftovers, pet food, and garden produce. Garbage cans become buffets, and raccoons quickly learn to exploit these easy meals. Their willingness to eat almost anything is a key to their survival. This adaptability lets them thrive in forests, suburbs, and urban jungles alike. Raccoons are expert foragers, always on the lookout for their next meal. Their diet is a testament to their intelligence and flexibility. Whether in the wild or the city, raccoons make the most of every opportunity. Their varied menu keeps them one step ahead in the game of survival. The raccoon's appetite is as adventurous as their spirit, and that's what makes them such successful survivors. Raccoons are among the most intelligent mammals, using their brains as much as their paws. They have excellent memories, remembering solutions to complex problems for years. If a raccoon figures out how to open a tricky latch, it won't forget. Their problem-solving skills are legendary. They'll try different strategies until they succeed. This persistence and curiosity set them apart from other animals. Young raccoons learn by watching their mothers and through their own experiences. They quickly adapt to new dangers and opportunities, especially in cities. Their intelligence is a perfect match for their sensitive paws, creating a powerful feedback loop. They touch, learn, remember, and solve, always thinking ahead. Raccoons aren't just surviving on instinct, they're actively outsmarting their environment. Their cleverness is the secret to their success. Every night is a new puzzle, and raccoons are always ready for the challenge. That's why they're the masked marvels of the animal world. Raccoon cleverness is legendary. Just ask anyone who's tried to raccoon-proof a garbage can. Special bins, locks, and latches are no match for their nimble paws and sharp minds. Videos abound of raccoons methodically opening containers, often working together to outsmart human designs. Scientific studies back this up. Raccoons can solve complex puzzles and remember solutions for years. They understand cause and effect, using deliberate actions to get what they want. Their boldness extends to interactions with other animals, stealing food from pets, assessing risks, and making quick decisions. Raccoons are daring, often grabbing a snack and escaping before trouble starts. Even in the wild, their ingenuity shines. They forage in streams, feeling for prey under rocks, and some stories even tell of raccoons luring fish with their tails. Whether or not every tale is true, their reputation as cunning problem solvers is well earned. Raccoons use brains and brawn to find their next meal. Their nightly adventures are a testament to their adaptability and wit. Every challenge is an opportunity for a raccoon to show off its smarts. That's why they're the ultimate survivors. At the heart of raccoon life is the devoted mother and her kits. After mating, the female finds a safe den, hollow tree burrow or attic, to give birth to 2 to 5 helpless kits. For weeks, she nurses and protects them, leaving only briefly to find food. As the kits grow, their eyes open and curiosity blooms. Around 8 weeks, the mother leads them on their first nighttime adventures, teaching them to climb forage and avoid danger. The family stays together for about a year, often sharing a den through winter. By spring, the young raccoons set out on their own, ready to claim new territories. While males are usually solitary, related females may keep loose social ties, sometimes denning near each other. The maternal bond is the foundation of raccoon society, ensuring the next generation learns the skills to survive. Playful and curious, young raccoons learn by watching and doing. Their early lessons shape them into the clever survivors we see. Family is at the core of every raccoon story. It's how the masked marvels pass on their secrets. Raccoons play a vital role in their ecosystems. As omnivores, they help control insect and rodent populations, acting as natural pest control. By eating fruits and berries, they disperse seeds, helping plants spread and forests grow. Their foraging breaks down decaying matter, aerates soil, and returns nutrients to the earth. Raccoons are also prey for larger predators, linking different parts of the food web. Their adaptability teaches us about resilience in nature. Even in cities, raccoons remind us that we share our world with wildlife. Understanding their role helps us appreciate the balance of our environment. Raccoons are tiny gardeners, pest controllers, and survivors, all in one. Raccoons are here to stay, especially in our cities. The best way to coexist is to manage food sources. Never feed raccoons and secure garbage cans with locking lids. Bring pet food inside at night and block access to attics or chimneys to prevent unwanted guests. If a raccoon moves in, call a humane wildlife removal service. Drive carefully at night. Raccoons are most active from dusk to dawn. Use harmless deterrents like motion-activated sprinklers to protect gardens. Respect their space and understand their behavior to prevent conflicts. Protecting raccoons means preserving natural habitats, support local parks and wild areas. These spaces provide food, water, and shelter for raccoons and countless other species. By learning about raccoons and taking simple steps, we can coexist peacefully. Raccoons are fascinating, intelligent neighbors, masked marvels of the night. Their presence enriches our world and reminds us of the wild just outside our door. Let's celebrate and protect these clever creatures for generations to come.